Hello everyone, Dr. Tara Farr here from Brown Family Chiropractic. I am so excited to announce that we are incorporating hair and saliva tissue testing into our practice for our nutritional counseling patients. What that is, it's a simple test that you can take at home. All you do is trim some hair and wipe your cheeks and get some saliva, send it to the lab, and we get so much information from that. So let me show you what that can tell us. So these are the reports we get back from our remedy testing hair saliva testing. Basically, it tests 58 different points in the body, different organ systems, and it rates them on a scale of 1 to 100, and it tells us what areas are the most bioenergetically stressed at that point of the testing. So this patient has some digestive issues, some endocrine issues, immune system, while the blue is really good functioning organ systems. So this is a great, just quick glance way to see how the body is communicating and talking and functioning overall. We want this whole thing to be blue, so anytime you see some yellows, oranges, reds, those are areas that we need to work on. It also tells you the most significantly stressed organs, so allergy points, small intestines, digestion, skin. So it says which organs are actually rated the weakest and what we need to focus on first. It also tells us energetic sensitivities, and I love this page. It tests over 350 food and environmental sensitivities, and it lets you know what foods or environmental toxins that you are sensitive to. So of course, when we get this report back, we want to avoid those foods while we start to heal up the body, or these environmental pollens, weeds, things like that. Things in the household that we can remove. So this is a great way for you to see how your body is responding to everyday life and things around you. Then it goes into energetic nutritional imbalances, so vitamins, minerals, amino acids. It lets us know what you're weakened in, and it lets you know food sources to try to increase those in your diet to get those up in your body. Magnesium, selenium, beta carotene, so lots of different vitamins and minerals. This is a big one. And energetic toxins. There's lots of toxins in our body. It's good to know what we're fighting or what we're resonating with and how we can eliminate them, because we don't want any energetic toxins to be stagnant in our body. We want to eliminate them out of our body. So this is a really important page. It also goes through hormone imbalances, energetic hormone imbalances, high cortisol, low testosterone, low DHEA, low melatonin. So that really is a good indicator of how your hormones are functioning and how we can communicate within the body themselves and how we can improve that system. So that is the full report. I love this report. It gives us so much insight into how the body's functioning and where we can improve, because we can all improve on our health in everyday life. So this is the kit we have at our office. You can stop by and pick it up. Inside is a little cheek swab. So you do not eat 1 hour prior to collection. You swab the cheeks and under the tongue for 30 seconds. Put your name and date on it. There's also a little baggie for your hair. You want about a teaspoon's worth of hair, around 30 strands. Name and date on this. Your hair can be dyed, so that's not an issue. There is a little instruction sheet inside that you put your name on and clinic information, and you go online and the website's on that sheet to fill out a form for your health questionnaire. You seal it up, put everything in it, drop it in the mailbox, and in about 3 weeks, we get that whole report on how your body's functioning. So I really like this test. It shows us what the tissue's doing, not just the bloodstream, which is just a highway system of things moving around. It says what is being absorbed and what is getting into our cells. So that's the test. I'm so excited to incorporate this into our practice, and I'm excited to help you guys live healthier, better lives and get more in tune with the bodies. Thanks, and stop by and pick up your kit today.